Hello. Hi, everybody. Let's get comments up here. Okay. I can't show you the January to June 22 catalog, but I can show you the celebration. And this is the catalog. We can't show you until January, but this is part of the SAB paper. It's called Daffodil Afternoon, and there's all kinds, and they're going to a lot of this where they have it on the top and the bottom so that you can cut it in thirds and then make a card out of it. And that's the back, front and back, front and back, back and front. Oh, I need to, oh my goodness. I didn't even bring that up. Okay, let's look at the Daffodil Delight. This is the back and this is the front. Daffodil Delight, front and back. And they're going to a lot of this where they have the top and bottom, and so you can cut it into thirds, cut it in half, and cut it into thirds so that you can get cards out of it. And that's the back. Front and back. You already saw that. Front and back. So you can use this front and back. You can use these designs on anything. Okay, so what we're going to do is in the moment. It is a relaxing kind of thoughts. It says you're in my thoughts. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. And I'm froggy. You're always so good to others. Be good to yourself. So this is the card that I created with the dog. Nothing inside. And this is the one that I created with the relaxing cup of coffee. So we're going to create a card. It's called a double fold card. So what we're going to do is stamp You're always good to yourself. Be good to others. Be good to yourself too. And I don't like this, so it's very bland. So I'm going to get a floral up here. Let me get my floral. We're going to use Timeless Tropical. And Flirty Flamingo. I think that makes a better picture on the front. And whew, I don't want to get my hand in there. We're going to use and I cut it the wrong way, but we're going to use it anyway. And this is called a double Z-fold. Evidently, I didn't cut that right. Okay, and your In My Thoughts will go here. And we're going to put it on here. So it has an 1/8 inch. And I got well, and this is going to go right here. And then we have a coloring. So let's get to coloring. Oh, wait. We gotta do the shadows first. Under her hair. Under her belt. And then we color. And we're going to color her belt the dark purple, dark Highland Heather. She's got a Merlot or a Burgundy wine. Her hair is blonde. And the fence is cinnamon cider. And her hat is going to be Highland Heather. She matches. And this one is going to go on this side. It should have about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. And that is the card. It needs to have a firm and this is where you write your thoughts. Pretty cool. I know I cut this the wrong way, but it works. So, have a great afternoon. Have a wonderful weekend, and you know that the December closeout is going on, and there's a lot of Last Chance products on here, and there are some that are carrying over to the new catalog. In my group, On the Go Stampers, I can't think. Keep on Crafting. There's a list in the files, and you can only get to it from there because the groups are only about the files. So you have a wonderful weekend. Have a blessed afternoon.